Hey guys, hello and welcome back to another episode of Hard Knocks Performance. On the previous episode, we walked you through the introduction of the Lemans and showed a little bit of the work that we needed to do. On today's episode, what we're going to do is get the Lemans ready to put on the rotisserie. So we're going to go ahead and do that by removing the front clip. So the hood hinges, core support, and a couple other components. So I'll go ahead and walk you guys through how we do that. Alright guys, first things first, we have to go ahead and remove the hood. So in order to do that, we have to take off these two fasteners here on each side. Is the fender. So we have one fastener here, two here, additional two here, and then one by the door. So we're going to go ahead and start with this one. We missed some. 1, 2, and 3. Fasteners are up. Let's go ahead and pop the fender off. Step is to remove the wheel liner. There's a fastener here. I accidentally removed one of the fasteners already, so there's technically supposed to be two, but it's this guy here. So 9/16 up front. Let's see. It's off. So fastener here. I guess that's also for the fender. Oh, 1, 2. Okay. So I think if I take off these two fasteners here and these two that are next to the wheel liner, it should come off. Alright guys, that's it. We've gone ahead and successfully removed the hood, the fenders, and the core support. So next step is really to get her ready for the rotisserie. So we'll have to remove some of the glass, add bracing, things like that. So stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.